So I have a new painting from Pretty Neat Creative to share with you. I just love when they come in plastics because it means it's big. All right, so I have been really excited to look at this one because on the screen it's gorgeous. So we will look at it together. As you can see, it is still sealed. I have not peeked. Staying true to my MO. This, ooh, such a pretty painting. Super, super excited when I saw this one. Ooh. It's interesting. Rubber band. Okay, so we have, first of all, 2 blue pens, a green tray, and some baggies, and a nice big chunk of wax. I like the blue pens. I don't see many of the blue pens. They're pretty. I like them. So again, this is Pretty Neat Creative. Copy. This canvas looks really soft. It's got that really nice linen finish on the back of it. Put this back up here. Can you see that? See how fuzzy and soft it is? And it's got the beautiful edging, so you don't have to worry about it fraying at all. This thing is really big. This is, let's see, I don't remember what the dimensions were. 58 by 68 centimeters, which is just over 23 by 27 inches. I may have to stand up for this one. But let's see what comes in the package first. So I have a 15% off coupon for my next purchase. And then I have my instructional sheet there. The drills, AB, I forgot about that. The drills are in individual bags marked with the DMC codes. Look at the AB. Gorgeous. All right, are you ready? Let me stand up because this is a big one. Yee! How pretty, right? Look at that. I love succulent plants. And this is absolutely beautiful. I have seen versions of this. But they have always been partials, and they have never been this detailed. So when I saw this one, look at that background, y'all. That background is going to be amazing. It's so pretty. And I'm telling you, this is like a blanket. The back of it, it's so soft and fuzzy and fancy feeling. So, so pretty. Let's take a look at, ooh. Hit my knee. Take a look at the drills. So we have 37 colors on this one. And this will be another one that I do my little trick of photocopying this. And then that way I have the printed key and I can move it around as needed. Ooh, it's so big. Can't make room. All right, I do not need the instructions because I know how to do that. But I will keep my little coupon here because that is awesome. But I don't have anywhere to put it. I'm like working on Christmas stuff, cards and projects and stuff, so my desk is like a disaster. But I will show you. This is completely unrelated, but I want to show you because I'm really happy with how this turned out. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So this, I have been holding on to this special Nutcracker themed paper. And when I saw this card, I was like, oh, I can finally use my paper. So her dress has ballet shoes. The present back here has nutcrackers on it. And the tree actually has words from the Nutcracker Suite. can't remember what all it says. I think it just says Sugar Plum Fairy, the different words from the movie, the Nutcracker Suite, Sugar Plum Fairy, the Nutcracker, that kind of stuff. So anyway, but I love how it turned out, and I was so tickled with, I tried laying out the paper so that it would cut just right, and it cut perfectly. So I'm super, super stoked. And this is what you call a box card. So it folds flat for mailing, and then you stand it up to display it. So it has all the layers inside, and I added a bunch of foam tape so it's extra dimensional and super, super cool. So this is one of the things that I keep like moving back and forth. So trying to find a place to get it out of the way so I don't injure it. It's really sad. When you make stuff like that, it's like, I really don't want to send it because it's so cool, but I want to send it to show it off. So backwards. All right, so what did I say? We have 37 colors, and we will take a peek at them quickly because there are A/B drills in here. So let's find those first. Darn it, keep dropping everything. Let's see, how many, was it just 2? I think it was just 2 A/B colors. Nope, 3. Trying to get it to come up on my phone here, and I'm not having any luck. Hello? Are you going to wake up? No, you are not. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it was 3 A/B colors, and I guess if it's more than that, we'll see them as we go along, right? So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh gosh. 7, 8, 9 shades of blue. And there are several packs of each color. So we have, there's one blue, another blue, and we have this one, and this one. Kind of wish they were all in the same bag. It's kind of annoying when they're in so many little bags, but beggars can't be choosers, right? They have this really, really dark blue. Then this blue, whoops, sorry, this blue. And then we have this pale blue. Oh, we missed one. This is another little bit darker. Yes, this is a different shade. Then we have, oh, there's another bag of that one. We'll do the grays next. It's kind of cool when they're, oh, I found another A/B color. Yay! Okay, it's kind of cool when they're like this because, you know, kind of like dig through and it's like, oh, yay, there's another one. Oh, yay. But then at the same time, it's like, ugh, another one. Oh, I found another blue. See? Ugh, there's another one. All right, so we have gray, 2 of those. We have very pale gray, and we have 3 bags of that one. Then we have these and this color. I don't know why I keep doing that. This color. Then we have some brown. We have, these are actually 60 and 61, 38, 60, and 61. So 2 shades, just 1 number off. And then we have 2 bags of this brown and 2 bags of this brown. I'm really excited about this one. It's so pretty. Oh, there's another one of that. And then that one. This is a really cool, like, almost burgundy, but kind of like orangey brown. It's a really interesting brown. I like it. Okay. Then we have, let me grab this pink that I dropped. Ow, that was not smart. Crazy kid. All right, so we have 2 shades of pink. And then this beautiful, oh wait, no, can't look at that one yet. So now we're going to talk about the greens because there are so many, oh, I found another pink. 3 bags of that one, of one of them. So there are so many shades of green. And I'm super excited because green is my favorite color. So we have this beautiful Hunter. We have 701. And I think that's the only bag of 701. Then we have 2 bags of this beautiful bright green. We have this interesting mossy green color. Then we have another really dark Hunter green. And let's see, which one do we want to look at next? We have 2, 3. Oops, I found another really pretty orangey coral color. Not orange, coral. That's coral. We have that green. So we're getting into like the minty green color there. We have these 2, which are 1 number off on the DMC scale. We have these. I love this mint green. The mint green I think is my favorite. Then we have this beautiful pale green. And this green. And this one. And this one. Another, again, 1 number off. I think I showed you those already. Yes, I showed you those already. Sorry. This one. It's a cool teal color. Now, for the AB colors. We have 4, I can't count. We have 4 colors that have the AB coating on them. First one is the green. Then we have the black. And we have beautiful pink. See the extra sparkle there. And then we have lots of white. So there are actually 6 bags of this. This is 141. It's weird. There's like a little number after it. I don't know what that means. Don't know what that means. I don't know. They all have like little numbers, like 4. Maybe it's the ounces or the grams, I mean. 5, 2. Yeah, that's probably how much it weighs, 2. Because these all have a 7 on them. I thought maybe there was supposed to be 7, but no. That's what it is. It's how many grams there are. So anyway, so there they are. Beautiful. I love this pink. This pink is so pretty with the AB on it. So, so pretty. Anyway, there they are. So 4 AB colors on this huge painting that is 58 by 68. I really love the canvas. The canvas is amazing. Close that up so we don't lose any. So again, look at the colors on this, man. These are just so pretty. So pretty. So pink, some green, lots of white. So the background is really going to sparkle. The actual shading on the cage is what the AB, where the black ABs will go. So that'll make the I think it'll really make it look more three-dimensional. And then the pink, of course, in these, and then the green will be scattered throughout. So this is going to be an absolutely gorgeous painting. So again, this is Pretty Neat Creative. I will put a link directly to this painting in the description box. And be sure to check out the rest of their site. Browse around. And if you like what you see, get your very own. Because it came really fast. I can't remember where they are. I don't know why my thing's not working. It won't open. Open. Well, anyway, so make sure you check out the link in the description box, and I will see you again real soon.